Quick question for you. Have you ever wondered how long it really takes to speak English like a pro?
Oh, wow. That question again. 30 days? 60 days? 90 days?
Exactly. Everyone wants a secret formula. Like, just give me the number and I'll do it.
Wait a minute. What if we've been asking the wrong question all along?
Oh, that's exactly what we're uncovering today. And trust me, by the end of this podcast, you'll see learning English in a whole new way. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where learning English feels easy, natural, and completely stress-free.
Hello, Emma, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world.
Same here. I'm honestly so excited today. Alex, tell me, how are you feeling right now?
Oh, I'm feeling super motivated today. My mind is fresh, my mood is great, and I'm really excited to help our listeners speak English with confidence today. What about you, Emma?
Love that energy. I'm feeling fantastic too, especially because today's topic is going to be very useful and fun for everyone listening. It's a really interesting topic.
Haha, that sounds lovely. So, Emma, what's today's topic?
All right. Today's topic is something I hear every single day. Something people ask again and again.
Oh, let me guess. Is it about grammar? Or vocabulary? Or pronunciation?
Good guesses, but nope. Today, we're answering one big question. How many days does it take to speak English fluently?
Oh my God! That question! Wow, seriously? People ask that all the time.
Yeah, everywhere. Comments, messages, emails. People always ask, Emma, tell me honestly, how many days? 30 days? 60 days? 90 days?
Yeah. Some people want a magic number, right?
Exactly. Like, just tell me the number. I'll do it.
Interesting. I mean, I get it. People are busy. They want quick results.
Ah, I see. And honestly, that confusion is normal. But here's the problem.
Oh, wait. Problem? Uh-oh.
Yeah. The problem is, most people ask the wrong question.
What? Wrong question. No way. Are you kidding?
I know, it sounds strange. But trust me, when you understand this, everything changes. In today's podcast, we're going to break this topic down step by step in a very simple and realistic way.
Oh, I like that. No boring theory, right?
Absolutely not. We'll talk about what fluency really means, why some people learn faster, and what actually matters more than days.
Wow. That's cool. That already sounds different.
And listen, if you've ever thought, why can I understand English but not speak it? Or, I've been learning for years, still no confidence. This episode is for you.
Yeah. You're definitely not alone. I've seen so many learners struggle with that.
Oh, absolutely. And today, we want to make things clear, simple, and honestly, stress-free. Before we go deeper, if you enjoy learning English in a real, natural way, make sure you follow this podcast and stay with us till the end.
Yes. Don't miss this one because this episode might change how you think about learning English.
All right. So now that we're ready, Let's start with the most important question of all. So, let's start with something very important.
Oh, okay. I'm listening.
First of all, we need to understand one thing very clearly. What does speaking English fluently actually mean? Good question. I mean, does it mean speaking like a native speaker? Really? No, not at all. What?
No way. That's surprising.
Yeah, most people think fluency means perfect accent, perfect grammar, zero mistakes. But that's not fluency.
Oh, now I understand. That actually makes me feel better already.
Yeah, fluency simply means this. You can express your thoughts without stopping too much, without fear, even if you make mistakes.
Okay. But people still want to know, how many days does it take?
Of course they do. Here's the truth. There is no fixed number of days.
Oh my God. Seriously?
Yes, because everyone is different.
Interesting. Different how?
Let me explain simply. Some people practice speaking every day, don't fear mistakes, speak even with broken English. Others only watch videos, only read books, never open their mouth. Guess who improves faster?
Okay. I get it. The one who actually speaks.
Exactly. Let me give you a real example. I've seen learners who start speaking English for just 15 to 20 minutes a day, and within 60 to 90 days, they feel confident.
Wow. That's cool. Only 15 to 20 minutes?
Yeah, but, important pause, they speak daily.
Oh. That makes sense. Consistency matters more than time.
Oh, good point. Exactly. Most learners don't fail because of English. They fail because of fear.
Yeah. Fear of mistakes. Fear of judgment.
I see that every day. People say, what if people laugh? What if I'm wrong?
But honestly, people are already busy with their own lives.
Exactly. Nobody is counting your grammar mistakes. So if you're asking how many days to speak English fluently, here's a better question. How many days will I speak without fear?
Wow. That's deep. I like that.
If you speak daily, accept mistakes, focus on communication, stop chasing perfection, you will see progress much faster than you expect.
Oh. So fluency is not about time. It's about habits.
Oh, yes, that's it.
Why don't people tell this earlier?
That's why we're here. If you're listening right now and you feel stuck, please remember this. You are not slow. You are not bad at English. You just need the right approach.
Yeah. And a little courage.
Exactly. So start today. Speak today. Even if it's messy. Even if it's broken.
Broken English is still English.
Absolutely. If this episode helped you, make sure to follow, share, and keep learning with us.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Until then, keep speaking, keep learning, and stay confident.